Yeah,
I say hi.
yeah. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you for asking me. So,
Okay, tell me about yourself. What is your name?
okay,
And
okay, okay. Okay, this is Om Prakash Bhardwaj, and I'm from Bihar, and I am presently living in Patna. And right now, I am pursuing BBA for bachelor, and I am pursuing bachelor degree, and I am first year student, and as well as I am preparing for civil service examination. And my hobby is write a story and playing cricket. That's all about myself.
you are writing stories.
Yeah, ma'am.
Which stories?
When I free, so I write some motivational type of story like
Okay.
goals, hard work, something like. I written approximately 24 story. So I thought I will publish my book, but when I figure out how I publish my book, so then I get to know approximately 12,000 need a money to
Yes,
publish.
yes. It's lot of money you need.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, it's okay. I will try in future.
What?
I will publish my books in the
Yeah,
future.
one day. Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you are doing BB?
BBA, Bachelor of
BB.
Business Administration. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is your first year?
Yes, ma'am. First year.
Okay. How is your studies?
It's yeah, still going on because next month I have examination, university examination. So we have to work hard, really hard.
So, you are studying in university or college? Where you are studying?
Right now I am living in hostel,
Okay.
Arivhat University. Do you know that?
No, you are from where you are from? Bengal,
Bihar, Bihar.
Bihar. Okay.
Like you can look at this map. I'm here.
Yes, yes. I saw you.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
a
Bihar.
Indian map. So he's all time with me.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's good. I saw.
And
You are studying your local language or English medium? Which you are studying?
English medium. English
English medium.
medium.
You have
But my
seminars?
English is not quite good because I didn't study in a 12th in a Hindi medium. So I learned I taken so many classes. Those are available online and offline. So then I'm able to speak English little bit, not quite good. My English is very poor and it's very difficult to speak.
No,
So
your
now
English so nice. You are clearly.
no, ma'am. We need
But,
to
but
improve our language.
pronouncing is how to improve your pronouncing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to improve your pronounce of words.
And I say
What's your future goals?
become a IS officer, Indian Administration Service.
Oh, you want to become IAS officer?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
you are preparing. Ah, yes, yes, yes. I observed.
I'm
You have
preparing for civil service examination 2024.
2024. Ah, you will completed your bachelor of degree on in
Yeah.
2024. Yes,
Sorry, ma'am.
you are completed your degree in 2024.
Yes, ma'am. And I will achieve my goal
Yes,
2024. It's
you
my
will reach
aim.
your goal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. From now you have to do hard work.
Sorry, ma'am.
You have to do hard work. You have to do hard work.
Yeah, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yeah, without hard work, talent is nothing. I know. But when sometimes when I study, don't I'm not willing to study because I want to play something and read something different books. But now it's okay. There's in a study there's no substitute. We have to work on it.
How do you practice
There's
your
no other
English?
option also.
Okay. Which option?
We are hard work. Without hard work, we cannot do anything.
Yes, yes, you are right.
Yes, ma'am. And I seen your YouTube channel and 200 plus subscriber.
Yes,
Your
thank you.
your channel is monetized or continuously?
Yes, my channel is monetized.
When?
Maybe last year, not last, before last year, 2020 in December. I think so.
Okay, nice. And
Yeah. How do you practice your English in online?
no, ma'am, because today today is holiday, so I didn't go college. So I did something those which is belongs to our syllabus, like market structure is related to economics. So I learned today in self study, and English is my in my I have a semester
Okay.
English business English. So which is there are so many things like how to communicate a person and a skill report writing and tenses. Everything is there in my semester.
What is your local language, your mother tongue?
Hindi, Maghi.
Okay. Hindi. You know very well Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's mother
Next,
tongue, na?
next one, Mahari. What you said?
Mother tongue,
Mother tongue.
मातृभाषा. Yes, ma'am.
You know Telugu?
No, no, no.
My language.
Telugu is a, I think, a South Indian language, Telugu.
Yes. I am from
And
Andhra Pradesh.
yes, ma'am. And there is one famous personality, Sadhguru. I listen when I wake up and sleeping time. I listen him voice because very talented person.
Okay. You have to do hard work to become to achieve your goal like a IS officer.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Yeah,
English,
I will do it.
your communication English is so nice and perfect. But when the point of view you are speaking, I mean your pronouncing is some difficult to you cannot understand some words. So you have to maintain and you have to practice that in to pronouncing words. So
Yes,
many
ma'am.
apps so many apps in Google Play Store. You have to download it and you can practice speaking. When you are speaking regularly, then automatically your pronunciation is become fluently one day.
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
Yes,
I will.
so you can focus on it.
Yes, ma'am.
So everything is so nice and so good.
Thank you, ma'am. It's not too good, but it's normal. I will improve our English language. Yeah, I know.
Your voice is you are speaking very confidently. You are not feel any shine in your voice, any breaks and any mistakes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, keep
Because
it up
uh, because
and keep going
because I
on.
taken so many classes.
What?
Because I taken so many classes. I have taken so many classes.